Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video I am going to tell you about a private medical college of Kerala. This college is MOSC Medical College, which is also known as Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church Medical College. This college was established in the year 2002. So this is an old medical college and is affiliated to Kerala University of Health Sciences and is approved by NMC. This college is located in Kolancherry near Kochi in Kerala. Also, this college is 25 kilometers away from Kochi and it takes 45 minutes to travel and to reach to the college, and it is 30 kilometers away from Cochin International Airport and is 28 kilometers from Ernakulam town. This college comes among top 3 medical colleges of Kerala, and the cutoff for MBBS for year 2024 for this year is 650 marks. 650 marks for MBBS, and we will see cutoff for PG as well. So for MD Pediatrics, first of all there are 9 PG courses and 1 super specialty course. So we will see cutoff for all of them. So for MD Pediatrics there are 5 seats and 493 is the cutoff. MD General Medicine के लिए 538 is the cutoff, and there are 2 seats for MD General Medicine. For MS General Surgery there is 1 seat and the cutoff is 489 marks. For MS Orthopedics there are 2 seats and 470 is the cutoff. For MS Obstetrics and Gynecology there are 3 seats and 447 is the cutoff. For MD Anesthesiology 3 seats are there and 424 is the cutoff. For MD Psychiatry 3 seats are there and 430 is the cutoff. For MD Radiology there are 2 seats, and for super specialty there is DM Neonatology course and there are 2 seats and the cutoff was 285 marks. Now we will see the number of facilities that the college provides to its students. So there are laboratories, library with 300 students sitting capacity, and lecture halls, auditorium, and large conference halls, playground, and a basketball court, a badminton court, indoor stadium, gymnasium, and personal lockers are given to the students, and there are 4 lecture theaters with all audio visual amenities. And talking about the hostel facilities, so also there are all the necessary facilities given to the students in the hostel as well, and there is a 2 sharing capacity room given to the students. हॉस्टल की फ़ी है 5000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ और मेस की फ़ीस है 3000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ. अगर हॉस्पिटल के बारे में बताया जाए तो 1200 बेडेड हॉस्पिटल है विद अ ग्रेट पेशेंट फ्लो. यू विल गेट अ ग्रेट क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर देयर इन द हॉस्पिटल. एंड अगर पेशेंट फ्लो डेली ओपीडी का बताया जाए तो 2200 आउट पेशेंट्स आर सीन डेली. अब बात करें फीस स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में. सो फॉर MBBS जनरल कैटेगरी 85% कोटा के लिए ट्यूशन फीस है 7,65,000 रुपीज़, एंड जो अदर मिसलेनियस चार्जेस है वो है 56,583 रुपीज़ फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर, एंड फ्रॉम सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स 40,000 रुपीज़ यू हैव टू पे पर एनम. सो द टोटल अमाउंट यू विल नीड टू पे will be approximately around 8,16,038 rupees, and the tuition fees for NRI category is 22 lakhs. इसके साथ ही मैं आपको अभी PG का भी फीस स्ट्रक्चर बता ही देती हूँ. सो फॉर PG clinical subjects the fees is 14 lakh rupees per annum, and for PG diploma 10,50,000 rupees per annum. For PG super speciality 18,50,000 rupees per annum, and for NRI category 35 lakh rupees per annum is the fee structure for PG. So this was all about MOSC Medical College. Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church Medical College is a Christian minority college, and इसके साथ जो हॉस्पिटल अटैच्ड है वो 1972 में एस्टैब्लिश्ड हुआ हॉस्पिटल है. अर्लियर इट वॉज 100 बेडेड बट नाउ इट इज़ 1200 बेडेड हॉस्पिटल विद अ ग्रेट पेशेंट फ्लो. एंड आपको इसके बारे में कुछ डाउट्स होंगे तो आप नीचे कमेंट कर सकते हैं या फिर स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं. For free guidance you can join our Telegram channel as well, and for counseling services, and if you want to join our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling is provided in a video, the link of which I have attached in the description box below. And for counseling updates, follow our page at the Accidental Doctor on Instagram. That's it for today. Thank you.